Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nadernejad Media YouTube channel. My name is Danielle Minja, Communications Officer here at Nadernejad Media Incorporated. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the importance of including video-centered content in your online reputation management strategy. As always, if you're new to our channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell just so that you're notified whenever we publish any videos concerning your online reputation, with any tips and tricks on how you can manage that reputation. Let's get into the video. So over the past 2 or 3 years, you've probably noticed that there's been an increase in video-centric content across the internet on various platforms. This grew mainly with the introduction of the new version of TikTok, which is a swipe video-based platform that became incredibly popular, especially in 2020. With TikTok taking the lead in being the platform for video-centered content outside of YouTube, they have now increased their time limit to around 10 minutes. However, on average, some of the more popular videos range from 30 seconds to 1 minute long, just to keep the attention span of the many people that are constantly scrolling. Now that TikTok has blown up across social media, other platforms have also started to take note of the importance of video-centered content and have started to format their social media platforms to emphasize and promote more video content from their creators. A great example of this is with the Instagram and Facebook apps from Meta. Both of these apps have started to take note of the importance of video-centered content and have started to include sections on their platforms which are dedicated to these 9:16 ratio, which is the vertical ratio videos. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 main tips to help you use video media, as diversifying the type of content that you post on the internet is just as important as publishing positive content to promote your brand and make your online reputation more positive. Tip number 1, don't be afraid of video content. It's quite common that a lot of people tend to gravitate towards more written content because of the fear of being on camera. I can attest to that. It is quite intimidating sometimes. However, taking the risk to produce video content can help boost your online reputation in ways you cannot even begin to imagine. If you are afraid of sitting in front of the camera and just speaking to an audience for your entire video or at all, you can always incorporate stock footage and stock photos, and just making sure that you have either a voiceover or footage of you for the introduction and the outro of the videos. When you're making this video content, make sure that you're referencing your brand in a positive light and keeping the content positive, fresh, and exciting, and relevant to your brand and the things that your brand is going to be talking about. This can be it a business, you can talk about your products or services, or if you're just a person, talk about your interests or your career or industry. Tip number 2, post your video content on multiple platforms. As I stated before, a lot of platforms are starting to emphasize 9:16 or vertical ratio videos on their platforms and have started to promote accounts that post more videos, for example, on Instagram, the Reels, or on YouTube, the Shorts. By posting your content on more than one platform, it allows it to be seen by more people and to reach a wider audience. However, make sure you format the specific requirements for each of the sites, as even though the 9:16 ratio is very common, it's 9:16 aspect ratio, by the way, you do want to make sure that you are sticking to the requirements for each of those platforms. For example, if you are intending on making a horizontal video, just like the one you're watching right now for YouTube, then make sure that you're following the correct dimensions for your equipment. Tip number 3, plan out your content and post regularly. When you're about to post your content, make sure that you have a strategy or plan in place. You want to make sure that you have a regular posting schedule so that you either don't run out of content or you are able to have that steady stream of regular content coming out. This doesn't have to be every single day. It could be once a week or even once a month, but you do want to make sure you have that content. And if you are saying that you are posting every single day, you have enough content or time to create that content to post every single day. By posting consistently and often, you are able to put more authority into that account and thus it'll be ranked higher on search engines. And even when people within that same platform search for your brand or keywords similar to your brand, you will come up. At the end of the day, you want search engines and people to trust your channel and your account so that you can continue to grow your following and promote your interests in a positive way and have your reputation be positive throughout the internet. If you need assistance in making that video content, or if you'd like some advice, please make sure to book a free 30-minute appointment using the link in the description below to discuss your online reputation with our director, Nader. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see us make more tips and tricks to help you manage your online reputation, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, stay positive. Goodbye.